What's up everyone, my name is Parth and you're watching InfoPal, and if you think my thumbnail was a bit creepy, there are two reasons for that. One, because there are so many videos on deals on Amazon and Flipkart, so I had to get your attention some way. And two, because all the YouTube geniuses says that making creepy faces on thumbnail brings attention to your video. But trust me, this is first and last time. Anyways, this is a small and quick video, and the main purpose is to share all the deals that is going on during this sale period on the headphones. And as you know, I am nerd about headphones, so instead of grabbing all the deals by myself, I thought why not share with you guys. Yes, I have a big heart and empty pocket. And if you are happen to be interested in any of these deals, you can use the links given below. That will help the channel out. Anyway, let's begin. So let's start with a truly wireless earphone, Soundcore Life Note, which is generally available for 3000 rupees, and it is one of the best TWS earphone available at that price, mainly because of the sound quality and battery life. The sound quality has a boosted bass, so if you are a bass lover, you will like that earphone. And also it has a very hefty battery life. Apart from that, the microphone array in this earphone is also good. So if you are looking for a earphone which has a good mic to be able to use for meetings and calls, then definitely consider Soundcore Life Note. Now generally it goes for a price tag of 2999 rupees, but in this sale it will be available for 1800 rupees. So if you are interested, head over to Flipkart. Now another earphone that is available on Flipkart and from the same company, Soundcore, that is Soundcore Liberty 2. Now generally it sells for 7000 rupees, and at that price it has a pretty good sound quality and it is widely praised around the globe. Now in this sale that will be available for 3500 to 4000 rupees, which in my opinion is a steal. Now let's head over from Flipkart to Headphone Zone. Now another widely praised and highly rated TWS earphone is Lypatech Tevi. Now Lypatech Tevi has three main features which makes them widely popular under 7000 rupees, and those three features are balanced sound signature, wide sound stage, and killer battery life. Now if you happen to be interested in those three things, definitely check out Lypatech Tevi at a discounted price at Headphone Zone. Now generally it sells for 6999, but in this sale period it is available for 6299, which I think is a pretty good deal for this earphone. Now another highly rated TWS earphone available at Flipkart is Jabra Elite 65T. Now it is generally available for 10,000 rupees, which I feel slightly overpriced for what it offers, but during this Flipkart sale that will be available for quite a cheaper price, so do check them out. Now moving from TWS to the wired in-ear earphones, there are two main recommendations which is available at sale price. One, Belon BL03 and two, Soundmagic E11C. Now both of them are available at discounted price at Headphone Zone. Now I have reviews of both these earphones coming up on my channel, so if you are interested, do what you need to do. Now both of these has a solid sound quality, but if you are confused which one to go for, let me make it short and simple. If you are an audiophile, go for Belon BL03, but if you want a earphone for general use, then go for Soundmagic E11C. Now moving on from in-ear to on-ear earphones, there are pretty good deals too. If you are a JBL fan, then definitely check out JBL T600BT. Now it generally sells for 5000 rupees, but in this sale period it will be available for 3500 on Flipkart, and at that price I think it has a pretty good sound quality. And also do look out for the deals on Soundcore Life Q10. It generally sells for 3000 rupees, but during the sale period it does come down in price. So if it comes down to 2000 to 2500 rupees, do not miss the opportunity, because it is one of the best option not only under 3000 rupees but under 5000 rupees also. And if you are a base head, then it becomes a no-brainer. Definitely look for the deal on Soundcore Life Q10 during this sale period. Now if you are looking into deals in the premium headphone section like Bose QC35s or Sony WH-1000 XM3s or XM4s, then definitely head over to Amazon, because most of the deals will be available over there. Maybe it will be available on Flipkart too, but generally these offers are available at Amazon. But by far the best offer that has been revealed yet in this sale period is the Sony WH-H910N. Now this is not their top of the line ANC headphone, but it definitely in the second tier. Now it generally sells for 20,000 rupees on Flipkart, but during this sale it is supposed to come down to a 4-digit price. Now if I consider the highest value of 4-digit price, that is 9,999 rupees, it still becomes a 50% discount, which for me is the craziest deal that I have come across in this sale period on headphones. So if you are looking to buy a Sony ANC headphone and do not want to get bankrupt while doing so, then definitely check that out. Anyway, those are all the deals that I have come across yet. But if I happen to find any other such deal, then I will definitely let you know. Make sure you follow me on the Infopal Facebook page. Okay, that's all for this video. Until next time, this is Parth signing off for Infopal, and I'll see you in the next video.